Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we will show you how to fix Windows Security not opening in Windows 10 and explain why this issue happens and how you can solve it easily. If Windows Security is not opening on your PC, don't worry. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Click the Start menu on your screen. Step 2. Click the power icon. Step 3. Click Restart. Restarting helps clear temporary glitches that may prevent Windows Security from opening properly. Step 4. After restart, click the Windows Security Shield icon from the taskbar or search Windows Security in Start. This checks if the app opens normally after a fresh reboot. Method 2. Step 1. Click the Start menu. Step 2. Type CMD. Step 3. Right-click Command Prompt. Step 4. Click Run as Administrator. Administrator access is required to fix protected system files. Step 5. Click Yes on the permission prompt. Step 6. In Command Prompt, type SFC scanno. This command scans Windows files for corruption. Step 7. Press Enter. The scan will start checking and repairing damaged system files. Step 8. Wait for the scan to complete. This process may take some time, but is very important. Step 9. After completing the scan, restart the computer. Restarting applies the fixes and helps Windows Security work again. Method 3. Step 1. Click the Start menu. Step 2. Type CMD. Step 3. Right-click Command Prompt. Step 4. Click Run as Administrator. This allows DISM to repair Windows image files. Step 5. Click Yes on the permission prompt. This confirms administrator access. Step 6. In Command Prompt, type DISM, online, clean up image, restore health. Step 7. Press Enter. The repair process will begin and run in the background. Step 8. Wait for the process to complete. Do not close the window while it is running. Step 9. Restart the computer. Restarting finalizes the repair and helps Windows Security open normally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.